Hello, welcome to Fun Maths and welcome to Trigonometry class. Our question today says find the exact value of sine 2 theta if cos theta is 3/5 and theta is the first quadrant. Okay, so I'll be making use of trig identities. First of all, I want to look for sine theta. To get sine theta, I'll be making use of the trig identity sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Now, sine square theta, from our question, cos theta is 3/5, right? So this is also sine square theta plus cos square theta is cos theta all square. So cos theta, which is 3/5, all square is cos square theta, and that is equals to 1. Sine square theta is equal to 1 minus, because this can move to the right hand side, 3 square over 5 square. That means sine square theta is equals 1 minus 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25. So sine square theta is equals, the denominator here is 25, the denominator here is 1, the LCM of both denominators is 25. So I can write this as 25, and then 25 divided by 1 is 25. 25 times 1, this is 25, minus 25 divided by 25 is 1, and that times 9 is 9. I'm going to continue here. So sine square theta is equals 25 minus 9, 16 over 25. So this is equals 16 over 25. How do we get, remember we are looking for sine theta. So how do we get sine theta from that particular problem? Well, if I take the square root of both sides, remember that sine square theta is the same thing as sine theta all square. Alright, so if I take the square root of both sides, I'll be able to remove that square. So take the square root of both sides, we'll be having sine theta is equal to the square root of 16 over 25. The square root of 16 is 4, the square root of 25 is 5. So sine theta is equals 4 over 5. Now, our question is to find the value of sine 2 theta. Another trig identity is sine 2 theta equals 2 sine theta cos theta. Alright, so now I have sine theta, and from the question I have cos theta. Therefore, sine, if you like put this in a bracket, sine 2 theta equals 2 times, everything here is by multiplication. Sine theta 4/5, 2 times 4/5, times cos theta 3/5. And now we have 2 times 4, which is 8. 8 times 3, 24. 24 over 5 times 5, 25. So sine 2 theta is 24 over 25, or if you divide this, you also get 0.96. That is the final answer. It was sweet, right? Okay, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share so that others can benefit from it. Till we meet again, stay safe and goodbye.